If you're still analyzing your business using Excel like this, you're no longer working. You're wasting your time. Lots of data, but no insights. Monthly reports take a long time. And worst of all, you don't know if your business is actually healthy. This is the monthly sales performance dashboard I created to transform messy data into immediately actionable insights. In seconds, you can view critical KPI metrics, trend analysis by revenue and by profit, automated key insights, and detailed analysis by product and region. Everything has been prepared to help business decisions. Just input your data. The dashboard updates automatically. Want to see monthly sales trends by product or region? Everything's ready. Not only is it neater, but you can make faster and more informed decisions. I've also included a step-by-step PDF user guide so you can use this dashboard directly with your dataset. If you're serious about understanding your business, the link is in the comment section.